We now invite you to watch the video on usage recommendations, tips, and tricks for a serene journey. Hello, in this video, we're sharing our usage recommendations, tips, and tricks for an easy and quick handling of the van. Pop-up roof. If your van or camper has a pop-up roof, it's important to open at least 2 vehicle doors when you open and close the roof to avoid damaging it. Also, make sure you have enough height clearance to open the roof. Any damages related to the vehicle's roof, including the canvas, are not covered by the insurance deductible. The renter will be responsible for paying 100% of the repair costs. Before hitting the road, make sure to walk around the van and double-check that the roof is closed. Remember, it's important to open at least 2 vehicle doors when you open and close the pop-up roof. Water taps. Be sure to close the taps of the kitchen sink and the shower head properly. If they're not closed tightly, you risk damaging the water pump, which could leave you without water. Tips for water shortage in our converted vans. If water stops flowing from the kitchen sink, open the shower head in the bathroom to activate the water pump. If water still doesn't come out after this, it means the water pump is broken. You'll find a replacement water pump in the glove compartment. Refer to the QR code inside the van, under the video tuto section. There you'll find a video explaining how to change the water pump. Waste management. For draining gray water and filling fresh water and cleaning the toilet cassette, prioritize campsites and gas stations with camper facilities. Download the Park 4 Night app, which lists places where you can drain and fill water. It is forbidden to drain gray and black water at the SEPSA station adjacent to our parking lot, under penalty of a fine. The fridge. The fridge consumes a lot of energy. To preserve the charge of your secondary battery, we recommend lowering its power, level 1 or 2, when parked and increasing it, level 3, when driving. Toilet maintenance. Our vans are equipped with chemical toilets. A filling indicator is located at the back of the toilet seat. Green means the cassette is empty, red means it's full. When the toilet cassette is full, empty and clean it at designated disposal points. Adequate facilities can be found in campsites and camper areas. To learn how to remove the toilet cassette, scan the QR code, go to the video tuto section, click on the model of your van, and select the toilet video. Caution: when removing the plastic cassette, ensure that the toilet bowl flap is closed securely. Never force it. Once the cassette is back in place, pour the blue chemical product available in the van's bathroom into the toilet bowl. Accident. In case of an accident, it's essential to complete the insurance report and send it to us via email. If you encounter difficulties, contact the local police. Spare tire. Our vehicles are equipped with a spare tire. The location of the spare tire and the necessary accessories for changing it are indicated in the vehicle's user manual. In case of a flat tire, contact the insurance company, number available from the QR code, SOS section, and they will come to change the tire. Tire replacement and repairs are free if you have subscribed to the premium or extended insurance. Vehicle height. When entering a parking lot, pay attention to the vehicle's height. Our Volkswagen California models are 2 meters high, and our vans are 2.65 meters high. Insurance. You have until the departure time to adjust your insurance coverage. The price includes basic insurance. Opt for premium or extended insurance if you want to reduce the insurance deductible, get better coverage, and travel to Portugal. All details about our insurance packages are available on our website, under the rental menu, in the insurance section. Thank you for watching this video. We now invite you to watch the virtual check-in video, which is a demonstration of the van.